Hello, Showtimers! Today I'm unboxing Ms T Suzuka. It looks like it's a Japanese manga. It has an eye on top. It has a Hot Wheels hero, I guess, here. It says Japanese. And it has a spoiler. And this looks like a Darth Vader a little bit. And looks like they're fighting a little bit. This guy is whatever is he. It is a super duper slow car maybe? And because I like it because it has an I on top. I, the letter I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The color is yellow, black, green, purple. Bye bye, Showtime.